Have you seen the latest images of Comet 3, IATLAS? They are absolutely breathtaking and have sent a wave of excitement through observatories worldwide. This isn't just another comet passing by. Atlas is doing something truly extraordinary, and we have the brand new ultra-bright images to prove it. For the past few weeks, we've been tracking this celestial visitor, expecting it to put on a decent show. But what happened in the last few days has caught everyone, including seasoned astronomers, completely off guard. The comet has experienced a massive, unexpected surge in brightness, making it visible even with small telescopes and binoculars. This isn't just a slight increase. We're talking about a dramatic spike that defies typical cometary behavior at this stage of its journey. So, why is this latest brightness spike so unusual? Typically, a comet brightens as it gets closer to the sun. The sun's heat vaporizes its ice, releasing gas and dust that form a brilliant coma and tail. But 3I Atlas has brightened far more rapidly than models predicted. Suggests something more dramatic is happening. Is the nucleus fragmenting? Did a huge volatile pocket of ice and gas just get exposed to sunlight? These are the questions astronomers are scrambling to answer. This sudden outburst is like a cosmic fireworks show, and we're just beginning to understand the incredible forces at play. It's a rare opportunity to witness the raw, untamed nature of these ancient objects up close. But the mystery doesn't stop with its brightness. The latest observations reveal something even stranger: the comet's tail geometry. At its current distance from the sun, we'd expect a fairly standard, well-defined tail pointing away from the sun. Instead, what we're seeing is a complex, almost fan-shaped structure. Some reports even describe a broad, diffuse antitail, which is a feature that technically shouldn't be so prominent right now. This weird geometry suggests the comet isn't just spewing out fine dust. It's ejecting larger, chunkier bits of material. These larger grains are less affected by solar wind and radiation pressure, so they follow a different path, creating this bizarre and beautiful tail structure that has astronomers scratching their heads. It's like the comet is rewriting the textbook on cometary physics right before our eyes. What do the experts think is going on? We've been poring over the latest observatory reports, and the consensus is one of fascinated confusion. Updated insights from leading astronomers suggest we could be witnessing a fragmentation event in real time. The nucleus of 3I Atlas might be breaking apart under thermal and rotational stress. Imagine a spinning ice cube cracking as it warms up now. Scale that up to a mountain-sized object hurtling through space. Each new fragment would expose fresh ice to the sun, causing these explosive outbursts of gas and dust and contributing to the strange tail. Observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope and ground-based networks are now dedicating emergency observation time to get a closer look, hoping to capture high-resolution images that could confirm if the nucleus is indeed splintering. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. There's a fascinating connection between this comet and a recent United Nations Planetary Defense Exercise. Just a few months ago, space agencies and disaster response teams from around the world conducted a simulation. The scenario? Newly discovered, potentially hazardous object with an uncertain trajectory, much like 3I Atlas initially appeared to be. The exercise was designed to test our global response capabilities if a real threat were ever detected. While 3I Atlas poses absolutely no danger to Earth, let me be very clear about that. It will pass us at a very safe distance. Its unpredictable behavior serves as a perfect real-world test case. It highlights just how quickly these objects can change and why continuous monitoring by projects like the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, which discovered this very comet, is so critical for our planet's safety. So, what's next for this celestial spectacle? The entire astronomical community is on high alert. Experts are closely watching the comet over the next 48 to 72 hours. This is a critical window. Will the brightness continue to surge, or will it fade as the initial outburst subsides? If it is fragmenting, will we be able to see the pieces separate and form their own mini-comets? The next few nights of observation will be crucial in answering these questions. We could be on the verge of witnessing one of the most spectacular cometary breakups in decades. Or the comet might simply settle down and continue its journey. Either way, the drama is far from over. This is a dynamic, evolving event, a true cosmic mystery unfolding in our skies. For those of you with telescopes, or even a good pair of binoculars, Now is the time to look up. Find a dark spot away from city lights, get a star chart for its current location, and you might be able to spot this surprisingly bright visitor. Witnessing something like this with your own eyes is an unforgettable experience. It connects you to the grand scale of the cosmos in a very personal way. You're not just looking at a point of light. You're watching a primordial piece of our solar system's history come alive, transforming and putting on a show for us here on Earth. The unpredictability is what makes it so thrilling. We genuinely don't know what it will do next. The images we're seeing are simply stunning. The brilliant glowing green coma, caused by diatomic carbon molecules fluorescing in sunlight, is incredibly vibrant. And the newly developed complex tail stretches across the sky, a ghostly banner marking its path. Professional and amateur astrophotographers are capturing some of the most jaw-dropping pictures of a comet we've seen in years. Each new image provides another piece of the puzzle, helping scientists model the forces tearing this icy wanderer apart. This is citizen science and professional astronomy working together at its best, sharing data and excitement in real time. As we continue to track 3 IATLAs, remember what we're looking at. This is a remnant from the birth of our solar system, over 4.5 billion years ago. It's been locked in the deep freeze of the outer solar system for eons. And now, as it swings by the sun, it's waking up in the most spectacular fashion. Studying it gives us clues about the ingredients that formed the planets, including our own. Each outburst, each change in its tail, is a message from the distant past. It's a dynamic, living piece of cosmic history, and we have front row seats. So keep your eyes on the news and on the night sky. We will be bringing you updates as soon as new information and images become available from observatories around the globe. The next few days promise to be incredibly exciting for anyone interested in space and astronomy. What secrets will Comet 3I Atlas reveal next? We're about to find out together. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic update, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss what happens next. Clear skies.